Let's talk about that smell, the one that lingers long past checkout or sits deep in the upstream. If you manage properties or facilities, you know that stubborn cannabis odor is the worst kind of surprise. And what's your current solution? A cheap air freshener? Those products don't solve anything. They just blast the space with temporary perfume. The real odor molecules are still there, ready to sneak back out an hour later, and that's bad for business. You need Kontrol Cannabis Odor Eliminator from State Industrial Products. This is not an air freshener. This is an industrial-grade odor elimination. Kontrol Cannabis Odor Elimination uses a specially formulated technology that doesn't mask odor. It chemically neutralizes the odor molecules at the source. It's water-based, safe for most textiles, and tackles the toughest smells hiding deep in the carpet fibers and furniture. Just a quick spray and you immediately restore the fresh, professional environment your clients and tenants expected. Stop masking and start eliminating odors for good. If you're ready for fresh air, visit www.stateindustrial.com to check out Kontrol Cannabis Odor Elimination and more.